on the TV. And I knew we gotta watch Finding Dory. No, 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 no. Oh my God! I need to use the bathroom. Rasputin, can I use the bathroom? Yes, you can. But come back soon. Thank you. I'm going to make it I'm gonna make an emergency broadcast. Ha 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 ha. Oh, finding my pants. I need to go to the restroom. Ha 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 ha! The teacher's gone now. Now it's time to make an emergency alert. Let's go on Sonic's computer. Okay, let's make it. Go anime logic. Make it an emergency broadcast in 3, 2, 1. What is that noise? Everybody, kids, hide! Oh my God! Come on, Brandy Smith! Let's hide! Alright, my best friend, let's hide!
This message is being broadcast by the Department of Defense.
Oh my God! What? Is that a noise?
Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified.
Okay, who put the emergency alert sound? Is it Caillou or Brandy Smith? Not me. Not me too. It was Rosie. What the hell? She did what? Oh, come on. Turn the radio off. Caillou and Brandy Smith. Okay, we'll turn it off. Okay, kids. There's no emergency of the alert world system. Okay. Warning. Turn on your volume. It will make very so loud. And counting in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Rosie! How dare you! Full of alert! How dare you put it in an emergency alert system? You're supposed to have to do that! That's it! You're grounded! I'm calling the police! No! Don't call the police! Well, too bad! I'm calling the police! Oh, it must be someone. Oh yeah, Bobby Soch, the police officer. You can come in. You, Rosie, you're under arrest for making the emergency alert system. No. I don't want to be in jail. Too bad. Now get in the police car. 4 hours later, if you get to the police car, this is your cell with no toilet, no bedroom, no table, no sink, and no bed, and no pillows. You're gonna sleep in the floor. Sleep in the floor now. Thanks for watching, guys.